this is Crescent Falls Campground here. We're going down here, but I'm not really sure if this is fun.
This is nothing. I've been through this. This is easy. I'll just go in four-wheel drive.
I hope we don't get accident here.
Think we might get stuck?
Yeah, it's deep.
No, it's not that deep. Look at it. Wow.
So we're now entering in the campground here. So basically, if you go to this campground, you will pass that creek there. So
Yeah, see all these guys, they all park here instead because they don't want to have to. This is
the day use area here.
Yeah, so you just drive right.
People are like having barbecue.
Yeah,
But
I just want to see. It's all obviously open. I just want to see if it's full. Hey, look at people, Filipinos down at the river, of course. There's Filipino.
so if you're towing a trailer, you're gonna pass that creek. There's no other way.
Yeah.
These are the campsite here.
See, they got through okay. That guy has a car. Got through with a car.
There is a one campsite here that is really nice. We have a river front, which is really cool, but I'm not sure if we want to copyright it. We want to, but I think I don't like the experience driving on that creek there. So that's another site.
Yeah, well, I think
Oh,
it's
there's like
mostly tent.
no, here. There's somebody bringing a trailer here.
Oh yeah, we got that little guy in there. Yeah. But I don't think you're gonna see like big trailers here. You're gonna just see little trailers.
There's a tent trailer over there.
Oh yeah.
It's not a very big campground. It's like, I think this is just one loop.
Yeah, look at all these people.
Most are tenting.
People had to drive their car through here. Like some of them have just regular cars.
And then the risk also, if you have a big trailer, is the road is so small and there's car parking because it's. Oh, there's a big trailer over there. 'Cause there's a lot of
Look at that teepee, babe.
there's a lot of cars along the road.
They got a big trailer in there. Holy. Yeah, you definitely.
That's a nice site over there too. We walked there last
I think there's
last
empty spots.
winter.
I don't think it's full. I think there's empty spots.
So there's another site. But the best site that we saw last time is.
There's even parking spots here.
Wow, look at that! How many tent? Their family. My gosh, how many family Filipinos?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, you must be having fun. So there's another site here. So from this campground, you just walk there like 5 minutes, going to the falls.
Oh, look at the rock here too.
So I think this is the best site that we.
This
Yeah,
one?
this is the best site. It's 25.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. Riverfront, it's 25. So that's the river.
Yeah, I don't know that there's fish in there because how are they going to get up that waterfall?
Remember in what falls we went to? Castle Falls, there was fish jumping there.
Yeah, but that's a tiny little waterfall. This one's like 100 feet high. There's no way a fish can jump.
So this one is. We have a waterfront too, but they don't have trees, and they are close to the road, so I think it's not ideal.
Kind of a big crowd here today.
I know this is a popular place. I think every day, like every weekend here is busy. So another campsite.
During the week here, you could get a site no problem, but on the weekend, maybe in the summer, it's maybe a little more difficult.
I think that's all the campsite.
That is,
Yeah.
But up here at least is, here's the camp host. Oh yeah, there's more campsites here.
There's
Look at,
more here.
that's a nice one. That's right on the water.
There's another one there.
You should ask her if this is. Maybe
The
we'll go.
falls is over there,
Yeah.
and then we're driving this creek again. But this time it's going up.
Not sure if this guy's going or not. Maybe I'll let him go. Yeah, he's going.
So we're driving in this creek again, going up now. I don't know why you need a campsite like you need to pass in a creek. This is not
Not a problem.
oh, somebody's going down. What the heck?
Uh-oh. That's okay.
So now what?
Well, somebody's got to pull over. The guy with the Mercedes is probably thinking he can pull. Oh yeah, he'll make room.
So this is the road here if you want to bring the trailer. It's not a big. Oh, this is scary.
Somebody's got to do something there, brother.
I just hate this.
Yeah.
Wants us to go, baby.
Well, I can't fit there. There's not enough room. Can't make it. Oh, he's got a chain there. Yeah. Okay. See if I can. I can't make it. No way. Nope. Can't make it.
Maybe he back out there.
You have to pull forward. Okay, I think I can make it now.
Be careful with the
Yeah, I know.
mirror.
Have a look on
baby.
that window, on those.
Okay, good.
Freaking.
I will go
The
back.
guy's not even going into the campground with a Mercedes. He's just trying to find a sleazy parking spot.
Stop, baby, because we're going to see them. So you can see the parking here.
Oh, on a weekend in the summer, this is a very popular place.
Never come here in the weekend.
Yeah, no way, Jose.
We just decided to just go back. We don't want to park here. It's so busy. It's so crowded.
Look at a guy. Sure. Hi there. You're happy.
So that's the park down there. There is a parking up there too, but it's not really a big parking lot. If you park up there, you have to walk down. I think it's better if you want to see this Crescent Falls because this is really a popular place. It's better to come here during the week where it's not this busy like
We're on the off season or something.
find
This
parking.
is like the Calgary Stampede.
And over there it's so busy.
Oops.
So this is now the bottom part of Crescent Falls, Swiss Cabin, Housing. We hike from up there to go down there. There's a trail. It's beautiful here. There's top falls